is a healthy breakfast recipe, the vegetable oats pancake, which is super simple to make and really tasty. So let's quickly make the pancakes. To make these pancakes, in a pan, spray oil. You can also add a tablespoon of butter instead. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped green beans, 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, 1/4 cup of cauliflower, 1/4 cup of chopped green bell peppers, and 1/4 cup of green peas. Avoid adding vegetables that retains moisture like tomatoes, and also avoid adding garlic and onion as they can add a strong pungent taste to your pancakes. Fry the vegetables on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes till it is half cooked. Do not cover. Add salt to taste, 2 to 3 pinches, and freshly ground black pepper powder. Now scrape out some sweet corns directly to the pan. I love them in my pancakes. If you don't want to add the corns, just go for it and skip the step. Fry for a couple of seconds. When the veggies are done, add a handful of coriander leaves. Take them out and keep aside. Next, take 1 cup of rolled oats in the grinder and grind it to make oats flour. Now in a big bowl, take the oats flour and half cup of whole wheat flour. You can also use multigrain instead, but wheat flour is the best for this recipe. Sprinkle salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper powder. Now crack an egg and add 1.5 cup of water. Mix it properly. The consistency should be same as the cake batter. Finally, add the vegetables to the oats batter and give it a quick stir. At last, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly before making them. The eggs and the baking powder are going to make the pancakes soft and fluffy. Now to make the pancakes, spray oil on a griddle pan or take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil instead. Place the batter carefully to make the pancakes. Just let it to cook from the side for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to low heat. And before turning them around, spray more oil and turn side to cook from the other side. And let it to cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. The vegetable pancakes are ready to be served. Stack them on a plate. Drizzle some tomato chili sauce on the top or any of your favorite sauce and enjoy it hot. So thank you so much for watching Being Foodie. Please subscribe, comment and share, and you can also find Being Foodie on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.